Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Git or Git Bash in your Windows PC. So to download it, first you need to go to your browser, and after opening the browser you just need to search for Git here, and this will show you this git.sccm.com, which is the official website. So just click on it, and as you can see, here is the latest version of Git for Windows. So you just need to click on this download for Windows option. You just need to click here to download, and you can see this is the latest version of 64-bit version for Git for Windows. So just click on this, click here to download, and it will start to download on your PC. It's only 65 MB, and after completing the download option, the folder, and double click to open the exe file of Git, and after that this will open the Git setup or the installer. So just need to click next here, and this is where your Git will install. And also you can see this will take only 344 MB, and after that you just need to leave all this as it is. You can check for the additional icons if you want an icon on the desktop here. So just click next. So this is the name of your file, and if you want to check this, don't create a start menu folder, you can check that. I just need to click next, and after that you can choose what code editor you want to use for Git. You can use Notepad or Visual Code if you install in your PC or other code editor, but for that I'm just going to use the default editor and just click next. And after that you can choose this let Git decide option and click next. And also make sure to choose the second option, Git from the command line and also from third-party software. Click next. Again choose the first option and click next. Again choose the first option and click next. Then again you just have to click next. Again you have to click next here. Choose the first option and click next. Click next. And you can choose for this enable file system caching and also choose the enable symbolic links if you want that, but I'm just going to use the default one, and you just need to click install and it will start to install on your PC. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds here. After finishing the install, you can see there's a shortcut icon in my desktop here. Now I'm going to just uncheck this option and click finish. And to verify the installation, if the Git bash is successfully installed or not, we're going to search for the cmd here and open the command prompt, and we're going to type here git, then press enter. And if this command show you on the command prompt, that means your Git is successfully installed on your PC. So that's it guys, this is how you can download and install the Git or the Git bash of the latest version for your Windows PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.